Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a voice recording on Messenger with all the latest updates for 2025. Whether you want to send a quick message to a friend or share something important with family, sending a voice recording is fast, easy, and personal. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats. If you don't already have the app, you can download it for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're inside Messenger, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. If you want to send a voice recording to someone you've already been chatting with, simply tap on their name to open the chat. If you need to start a new conversation, tap the search bar at the top and type in the name of the person you want to message. Once you find them, tap their name to open a new chat window. Now, look at the bottom of your screen where you normally type your messages. You'll see a small microphone icon right in the text box area. This is what you'll use to record your message. To start recording, press and hold the microphone icon. As you hold it down, speak clearly into your phone's microphone. You can record anything you want, whether it's a quick hello, a funny story, or a heartfelt message. When you're finished recording, simply release the microphone icon. Messenger will automatically stop recording and your message will appear in the chat, ready to send. If you're happy with your recording, just hit the send button and your voice message will be delivered instantly. That's all there is to it. Sending a voice recording on Messenger is a great way to connect with friends and family, no matter where they are. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.